Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in Mail, open Outlook and make sure you're in the Mail module. Once there, click the View tab. You want Change View now because this is where Outlook controls layout. Select Manage Views to create or edit a view. You're doing this so changes apply precisely to the folder you choose. Next, choose New or highlight an existing view to edit it. This first step gets you into Outlook's only built-in way to change Mail view, so proceed without delay. Now you customize. Click View Settings to access columns, sort and group by. Add or remove fields so your list shows the data you need. For example, add from, received, size. Use filters to hide low-priority messages and conditional formatting to color code senders or flags. In other settings, adjust compact versus single-line layout and reading pane placement. Once done, preview the view to confirm layout and sorting. Finish by saving. Click OK, then save as to name the view and choose Apply to this folder or all mailboxes if needed. Make it default where appropriate, then restart Outlook to lock in behavior across sessions. If something looks wrong, don't panic. Use Reset View on the View tab for that folder or run Outlook. /clean views to restore defaults. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues, so make sure to try it before doing anything more drastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.